Good day everyone, welcome to this video. This is the Escarpment Outdoors channel with Scott. And today I have a friend with me doing another hike of the Bruce Trail, going from Boston Mills Road to Escarpment Side Road. Yeah, it's going to be a nice day for it. You want to say hi?
Sure. Hi people.
Hi. Alright, let's have fun. Alright, we are now entering the Cheltenham Badlands. If any of you know what that is, where it is, it's a pretty nice spot. I've been here once before, back in 2014. We have a nice view over here. Not bad. Yep. The same features, just a different type of rock. So just a quick trail update for all of you. We're about 5.5 kilometers in, just took a break after walking for about an hour. It's probably about 5 more kilometers until we reach the forks of the Credit. And there's probably gonna be some nice views, so I will be sure to show that to you. Yep.
Crazy how in Niagara, leaves haven't even changed color yet.
Alright, so my friend Mike decided to go off trail to take a picture of this pond here. How's the view?
Pretty good. The sun keeps blocking my picture, and well, not blocking it, but getting in the, trying to overexpose a spot.
Yeah. Ah, stupid leaf. Got hit in the face. I should file assault charges on it. But yeah, this is a neat little spot. Got some nice, I think that is peat moss on the surface there. Probably not. So we made it to the Devil's Pulpit, and it's a bit steep. I'm just gonna get down here. And there's Mike again taking pictures.
I always take pictures.
See, I'm smart. I'm staying behind the rope. But I'm not sure if all of you can see it, but this is quite the view. There's a road down there. And eventually today we are going to be straight ahead on top of the ridge on the other side.
It's a long hike back up.
Yeah, that's why we're going down. And this is the section we have to walk down. Wonderful, isn't it? So we are currently working our way down the side of Devil's Pulpit. I'm not sure if I stated it earlier, but it is quite steep, as you can see. So in the past there was a stone quarry. You can see there's some old rails here. That trail goes that way. And do you want to know how a train's coming? You feel the tracks. There's nothing coming. Anyways, just crossing some train tracks. So we just passed a house that's built in 1884, back over there. That was probably around when the mining was being done. And we're now approaching the forks of the Credit. We're going to take a short break soon. So we're still walking through Forks of the Credit Park, and we just had our lunch break. But the main thing is we are now on the opposite side of the park, so hopefully no more steep climbs. Not quite sure what this is, but you know, something. Trail update for you all. We do have just under 5 kilometers left to go, so hopefully not too much longer. So last final push of the day. Sounds like it did come with a stick shift. Alright, so we made it back to the car. There it is. Another challenging tough hike. Lots of unexpected hills and whatnot. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.